Hello my darlings, good morning. It's morning now. It's 11:15 a.m. so it's still morning. Today we're going for lesson 2, which is the cardinals and ordinal numbers. So we're going to start off by the cardinal numbers, and don't forget that cardinal numbers we use for telephone numbers, we use to tell the time, okay, and ordinal numbers we use it for dates. For example, today is the 13th. Today's the 13th, yeah, June the 13th. So it's, it changes a little bit. So we're going to practice that. Let's go for the cardinal numbers and let's practice our pronunciations of the numbers, okay? So let's start, let's repeat, let's practice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now, pay attention. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Now, let's make a difference. So we have the 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Our teenagers, our adolescents, basically. Okay, so we extend it. We go teen, T-E-E-N, teen. And then for the other numbers, we go for 30. So it's much short. 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. And it finishes. Okay, so let's work out the difference. We have 13, 30, 14, 40, 15, 50, 16, 60, 17, 70, 18, 80, 19, 90. So there is a difference. For example, me, I am 24 years old. I wouldn't put, imagine I'm 34. I wouldn't put 13, 4 years old. I would say 34 years old. 34 years old. So, it's more fluently, 34 years old. You wouldn't say 13, 4 years old. Because 13, it's, the teenagers. 13, 14, 15, after the 12, it doesn't work out very well. And then we have the 100. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, and so on. And after this, we have 1,000. 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, and so on. It's important, for example, me, I was born in 1999. That's a long, long number, isn't it? For example, my birthday is 23rd of March, 1994. So it's can you see the difference? So in years of people who were born a long time ago or in recent years, we could say 2018 or we could say 2018. You can choose it, but it's we separate it. For example, the years. My birthday, as I said, I'm from 1994. We separate 19 and then 94. I wouldn't say 1994 because it's a long, long number. Okay, so we divide these two numbers, we separate them to make it short and easier to pronounce and to speak it as well, because it's too long to say 1994. So I was born in 1994 and not 1994, which is so extent, okay, so long. So we would just say short, 1994. Or if you were born in 1973, we would put 1973 and not 1973. It's a very long extant number. And also for phone numbers. Okay, let's go for phone numbers. My phone number is 9810077. I don't remember, but you know, that is my phone number. In Portuguese, we normally say, oh, my number is 6194 602. You know, so we put these numbers together. In English, we normally say, you know, one by one. So my number is 98164, 726, and so on. But we divide them, unit by unit, letter, number by number, not letter, number by number. But if you have, imagine if you have 7 numbers of the same, which is you have your phone number is 777, we normally say 777, because triple means 3. 777, imagine if you have, a number that goes for 22, we wouldn't say 22, you could say 22. If it's 44, you would say 44. If it is, imagine 444, we would say 444. So let's go for a number. 981 777 2211. That would be my imaginary phone number. Okay, but it's not my real phone number. But you could use that. You could say double if it's in pairs, or triple if it is in trios, 3 numbers of the same, or double numbers, or 2 numbers of the same. That is for phone numbers. And then we have our ordinal numbers. So it's important for us to practice our ordinal numbers. Let's go. Ordinal numbers, don't forget that we use it for dates. Okay, like today's date is not 13. Today's date is the 13th of, and then we're in June, so 13th of June. Let's go. This is important. From number 1, number 2, and number 3, they are completely different from the others, because number 1 we have first. So at the end of each unit you would put ST. Then we have second for number 2. Second, ND. Third, RD. Let's go. First, second, third, fourth. 4 until back to the 0 is TH at the end of the unit. So let's go. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th. Let's go. 11th, 12th, 13th, 14th, 15th, 16th, 17th, 18th, 19th, 20th. Pay attention from 30 onwards. 31st, 32nd, 33rd, 33rd, 34th, 35th, 36th, 37th, 38th, 39th, 40th. 40 again. We go 41st, 42nd, 43rd. Okay, so the first, second, third is the sequence. And then the other numbers 4 and onwards is TH at the end. So let's practice. First, second, third. First, second, third. And then we have the rest. 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th. Okay, so this is for your revision. I hope that you are able to understand it. And there's a little thing as well which I forgot to mention. On the cardinal numbers, when we give phone numbers, we could say 0 if your phone number has a 078, if it's in England, or here we have 064, which is a DDD, which is a state thing that we have over here. So if if there is a 0, you could say 0, but normally in England we use 0 as the letter O from the alphabet. So imagine I have a number that has a 0, so I'd say 074 or 020, 081. We use O instead of 0. But if you say 0, both is correct. Thank you so much for today, and next lesson will be common nouns. Thank you. Bye bye.